Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. This is a quick tutorial on one idea of how to wrap this raw amethyst with 12 gauge wire. You really have to let the material tell you how it wants to be wrapped, because each time it's going to be different. But this is just one idea. I like the 12 gauge because for me it's an easier wire to manipulate. I'm not going to cut my wire until I know how much wire I'm going to need. This is a simple bail that I'm making. I'm just going to make a loop and wrap it once, and that's going to be the loop that I use for this. I'm going to start by placing my amethyst to see which way I want it to sit, whether I want it to sit up this way or the other way. I prefer this way, so now I'm leaning my bail over the front of it. I'm going to wrap the back to give it a base. This stone is so beautiful, and I don't want to put too much wire on the front of it, so I'm going to use a minimum amount of wire on the front, but I still want it to be secure within my wrap. I'm wrapping the wire around my bail to hold the bail onto my amethyst, and then I'm continuing to wrap. Even though I cut my wire there, I ended up feeling like I wish I had left it a little bit longer, but it works out okay. I think it would have been better for me to have this curl go over a little bit more to just make my piece more secure, but it's okay. And if you want to tighten the wire, you can just turn your wire just a little bit, and that'll tighten it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm tightening it in some of the places. But it's done. If you like this video, I invite you to subscribe. We have over 700 videos and tutorials and more coming every week. We do at least 2 a week. Well, you know the drill. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.